I'd like to explain the use of the hatch command in landscape software such as gCADPlus. This is a partly finished design for a space that wraps around the building, so there's a path running through that entrance around to an area that's going to be paved with some table and chairs, and then an exit path over here. What I'll do to begin with is I'll just pick that table and chairs and just temporarily move it out of the way. Let's imagine that we wanted to work and add some more detail to this area that's going to be paved, and we might wish to show the, if you like, a header strip around that paved area. A quick way to do that would be with the hatch command. So we pick the two circles that denote that quote header area, right click and pick the solid hatch pattern, and bingo, the hatch works very easily. If we tried the same approach with one of the strips running through here, we might well change our hatch pattern to, say, a pebble pattern. Let's just try it and see what happens. Remembering that there are lines crisscrossing one another. So if we say draw and hatch, we pick a couple of lines, then right click, nothing happens, the hatch fails. You could argue, well, I haven't got a closed space, so you could try picking the line command, and we'll come in here and we'll draw a new line from the end of that one there to there, and then come up to the other end, repeat the line command, draw another line from end to end, and exit. Now I could pick all four lines, so I would have a closed space like so, and then I could say draw hatch, and still it fails. If I now right click, do the same thing, pick all four entities like so, right click and join them, they now become, when I select it, if you look over here in the properties box, we now have a polyline. If we now try the draw hatch and pick that area, bingo, it now hatches correctly. I've left the pattern at solid, but I'm sure you get my drift. So there are times when hatching works really easily, when you've got a clearly defined area with no crisscrossing lines, but as soon as you complicate the design area with entities, hatching will fail. So the safest way to hatch in landscape CAD drawings is to form a polyline around the area of interest.